Hi all, in today's video we will guide through how to fix Simple Mobile not working after refill. Why Simple Mobile not registered on network? Service plan issues. Your service plan might have expired or there could be a delay in the activation of your refill. Network problems. Weak or no signal can prevent calls and text from going through. Device settings. Check if airplane mode is enabled on your device, as this will prevent any calls or messages from being sent or received. Device OS. Also ensure that your device software is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Account management. There could be an issue with your account. Fix one is to check signal strength. Make sure you are in an area with simple mobile network coverage. Use the coverage map to check if your location is supported. Go Simple Mobile Coverage Map. Enter your zip code and click on right arrow mark to check the coverage. Alternatively, you can also send the word coverage from your phone to know the coverage. Try moving to a different location to see if that resolves the issue. Fix 2 is the restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help resolve issues like app crashing, slow performance, or connectivity problems. If it is iPhone, press and hold the side button and either volume button simultaneously until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears to turn your iPhone back on. If it is Android, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Tap power off or restart in the menu that appears. If restarting, your phone will automatically turn back on once the restart is complete. Fix 3 is the update your mobile. Updates can enhance the overall performance of your device. They often fix bugs and glitches that may slow down your phone, ensuring smoother operation and faster app loading times. Steps to update iOS. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi and plug it into power. Go to Settings and General and Software Update. Tap Download and Install or Update Now. Enter your passcode. The update will begin downloading and installing. Your iPhone will restart once complete. Follow any additional setup steps after the update. Steps to update Android. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Tap on System or Software Update. Check if there is an available software update. If an update is available, tap on Download or Install Now. The update will begin downloading. Once downloaded, tap Install to complete the process. Your device will restart and update will be installed. Remember to always back up your device data before updating, and ensure your device has a stable internet connection and enough battery life before starting the update process. Fix 4 is to check your payment status. Ensure that the amount for your Simple Mobile refill has been deducted from your account. Check for text messages notifying the payment detection or failed status. If your payment did not go through, you may need to reattempt the refill. Ensure that all information is entered correctly. After a successful payment, it may take a few minutes for the service to reactivate. If it doesn't, restart your device to refresh the connection. Fix 5 is the try after some time. There might be a delay in the activation. Sometimes even after a payment is processed, it may take a short period for the service to reactivate completely. Users have reported that their devices showed as inactive even after a successful payment, which resolved itself after some time. Fix 6 is the contact customer support. If you are facing repeated issues with activation or service status, it might be beneficial to contact Simple Mobile customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account status and help resolve any ongoing issues. You can reach them by dialing 611 from your Simple Mobile phone or by calling the customer service number directly at 1877 878 7908. Thank you for watching our video.